What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will show you how to fix temporary login disabled on Snapchat. So let's get it started. So first, commonly this problem occurs when Snapchat has a temporary maintenance. So if that's the case, you just need to wait until the maintenance is finished, but I will still show you some ways to solve this problem. So first, you need to make sure that your Snapchat is in its latest update. So you just need to update your Snapchat, and after updating your Snapchat, you just need to go to your settings. Then on your settings, just scroll down and find app management and go to app lists, and there you can search Snapchat. Just search Snapchat and go to storage usage and clear data. Just clear your data and that's it. And if that doesn't work, another way that you can do is to reinstall your Snapchat. Just uninstall your Snapchat and install it again. And that can possibly solve your login temporary disabled. But if all of this method doesn't work, maybe it's just a maintenance from Snapchat and you just need to wait until the maintenance is gone. And that's it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.